we are back in the second day of the league. So I just finished the campaign. I am currently level 66 and it took me like 22 hours to run through the campaign. This is after the patch when they lower the HP of the mobs, so the game feels a bit easier. So everything here is the same. We are using Lightning Spear, Explosive Spear, and we just add Spear of Solaris for some extra damage when we stun enemy. And then I catch a better companion. He got the Trail of Lighting, so he shock everything for a bit extra damage. So on the gear side, this build is still solo self found. Everything here I found myself. This spear was very lucky. I found it in the shop, in the vendor. So smash some exiles and make this. Then everything is just life, some resistance, but I'm gonna buy a new gear. If you can see, I am not even rescapped. So, and we went for the scepter because of the extra spirit, but I don't know if we gonna use shield or what. So for the tree, it's just same. We add some critical knots, some accuracy rating and attack speed knots. Here we start stacking attack speed per accuracy, and we got lucky lighting damage. We managed to get very nice Javel. There is 4 useful mods for us, so we managed to get second lap and next 2 points here. Then we are going for the penetrate and then in for the kill, because here in penetrate we are profiting from the accuracy rating of the weapon, and if we are profiting from the accuracy rating and gaining attack speed from it, it's a double plus for us. So, and that's it. The gameplay stays the same, and now I'm gonna push the low tier maps, and I think see you tomorrow, guys.